Want rich forever.
Class, be quiet.
Never right now.
Rich. Stop being nice, little brother. No see teacher talk. Alright, group project time. CJ, Shibi, and Rupert, come forward, please. Man them, come in, man them. Come in, man them. Come in. Yo, what you turn on the projector? Turn on the thing for them make we feel, brother. What you see me do? What you see me do, brother? What you see me do? Move, man. Look. Look, man, look. Whoa. What was that? No worry about that, sir.
A blue, sir.
See there now? Alright, begin a group project for me. You have to look smart, you know? Yeah, man, beginning the project. The way plants make food. Photosynthesis is the means by which plants utilize sunlight and water to make food. You see? Rupert. Yes, sir? What does photo mean in photosynthesis? Sir, the picture the plant take. Like photo, as in picture. Photo means light. Plant can take picture? No, sir. So where you get that from? Me no know, sir. No continue. Yo, are you your part now, you know? Oh, my part? Yes. So, the plant capture the sunlight.
Beg you, one eat. One eat, me I beg you, one eat. No boy, me dog. No boy, me dog.
We no continue before me feel, you know. He is not sorry, I move so. No boy, me dog. No boy, me dog. Think a joke thing me dep on. You no feel, come go on the seat.